So baby, after 2 years of asking, you finally taking me to Hungry Lion. Yeah, imagine. I'm excited. Baby, I want everything on the menu. Everything. Show them what kind of a boyfriend you are. Okay. Don't worry. Ella, everyone, move. Big buyer coming through. After all of you are just buying my Big Bite 2s. Also buying everything. Baby, show them. How much is chicken and chips? Anyway, everything here is chicken and chips. Look, just get Big Bites too. How much is it? 28.90. Don't you have average bite too? No. Small bite too? No. Look at the screen. That is what we have there. Look. How much is Big Bite too when you're able to fry your own chicken? We don't do that. What if I provide my own box? Wait. I can give you 3% discount. I also brought my own sword. Sir, no. Do you take ATM? Yes. No. Airtel money? No. Ichirimba? For the last time, sir. No, we don't. Take a while, sit down. Which one is cheaper? We don't charge for that. It's a convenience service. What if we sit on the floor? Is it going to be cheaper? But big buyer, take all the time you need. Ella, you want my Big Bite 2s? Move. Don't get close to my boyfriend. Give him enough space to breathe. Being rich can be a burden. Hello? What if I take away before paying? Sir, we'll arrest you. Baby, I love you. In fact, after you're done, come and propose to me right here. Okay, keep change. I don't think there's any. Baby, I called my friend. She also wanted Hungry Lion. Yes, actually half of the girls at Nipa are already on their way. It's just that there isn't the bathroom at Levy. You know, she told us it's an all you can eat Hungry Lion. Where's the Hungry Lion? I have it. Marichozi. Baby, what's Hungry Lie on? What? What's Hungry Lie on? It's what you wanted. What kind of an animal is a lion? Show me. It's been extinct. That was the last one. I said the Hungry Lion. Jesus Christ, these members. Agnes, do you want some? What? Counterfeit Hungry Lion. Nisha look like I eat anything. Anyways, I'm full. I already had Hungry Delele before I came here. And I even left Levy toilets for this. Let her. Look. Also got you a drink. Baby. What's Happy Trade Kings? You don't like it? You want Happy Boom? It's okay. I drink Happy Trade Kings. Hello everyone. Sorry I'm late, you know. Makeup takes ages to perfect. You were breathing. Whenever I breathe fast, the makeup starts dripping, so I only breathe once per minute.